Very good morning to all. I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today we will going on the solid waste management. Introduction about the solid waste management. A systematic administrative of activities that provide for the collection, source, separation, storage, transportation, transfer, processing, treatment and disposal of all solid waste. Public health important of solid waste. It can be the best media for the growth of microorganism, attraction of arthropods such as the common housefly, mosquitoes, etc., attraction of rodent and other animals, for example rat, mice, dog, cats, etc. Open dump can contaminated water source. Next, can contaminate food supply and cause food borne diseases. Hospital and pathological wastage are potential disease carrying waste products. Radioactive waste are highly dangerous. It can create fire accident also. Classification of solid waste. Solid waste can be classified into two categories by its characteristics. These are organic solid waste and inorganic solid waste. Organic solid waste. Waste that are generally biodegradable and decompose in the process of which emits offensive and irritating smell when left unattended. Inorganic solid waste, solid matter that does not decompose at any rate. This category of waste matter may be combustible depending on the type of the nature of material they constitute. Functional element of solid waste management system. There are 6 functional elements in the activities associated with the management of solid waste from the point of generation to final disposable site. These are waste generation, on site handling by sorting, storage and processing. Now third is collection, fourth transfer and transport, processing and recovery, and the sixth is the disposable. On site handling, storage and processing. In these activity associated with the handling, storage and processing of the solid waste at or near the point of generation. Second, collection. Those activities association with the gathering of solid waste and the hauling of wastage to the location where the collection vehicle is emptied. Transport and transfer. Those activity association with the transport and transfer. The transfer of waste from the smaller collection vehicle to the large transport equipment and the subsequent transport of the waste usually over long distance to the disposal site. Processing and recovery is the next point. Those techniques, equipment, and facilities used both to improve the efficiency of the other functional elements and the recover usable material, conversion products and energy from the solid waste. Disposable. Those activity associated with the ultimate disposal of solid waste, interrelationship of functional elements comprising a solid waste management system. These are some steps in the solid waste management. Interrelation of the functional elements. It is a figure of the waste management, then storage, collection, transfer and processing and recovering, and the last is a disposal. Main source of the solid waste generation. Residential, it means domestic or household. Commercial, institutional waste. Construction demolition, treatment plant site, industrial, agriculture. Thank you for watching my videos and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel of RPIIT.